It's Mimi's feeding time again. It's always Mimi's feeding time. She likes seeds and... Yes? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Mimi? Are you gonna share with Mommy? Can you share? Yeah? Is it yummy? It's playtime. It's playtime for Mimi. Tickle, tickle. This is what Mimi does all day. She eats, she poops, and she plays. Right, Mimi? What are you doing? And she looks out the window like a puppy. Right, Mimi? Say we're headed to where are we headed? We're headed to Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas to visit some family, some cousins, right? For the first time, she's gonna meet my cousins. Are you excited, Mimi? Are you excited? Yes? 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 Ah. Mimi, can't hang from the camera. Oh boy. Just like a 3-year-old, like go of the camera. Who is that? Is that Mimi? Alright. Say have a good day. Off to Allen, Texas to meet cousins. Yay! 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 Okay, we're excited. See you soon, cousins!